So do I have an unboxing for you guys today? Today we actually have a $1,500 Black Friday sneaker haul from GoDap, guys, and there are some fire sneakers in here. Stuff that I've not seen before and things that I'm very excited for because these are all going in the personal collection. And we will be unboxing those real soon. But before I get into that, I actually have a big announcement for you guys, a major announcement. Because as you guys know, Black Friday is upon us, guys. It's coming up very soon. And I don't know about all of you, but one event that I look forward to every single Black Friday is the GoDap Black Friday event. Because you guys have seen it in the past, they usually give away a bunch of sneakers, like thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of sneakers, clothing, accessories, and I think even one time, like last year, they gave away a Ferrari, which was insane. But what's even crazier than that is this Black Friday, it's gonna be their biggest one ever because GoDap is giving away $1 million in prizes. That's right, I said $1 million. $1 million, guys, worth of prizes, worth of sneakers, worth of like hype clothing. And with $1 million worth of prizes, you can bet your chances are pretty darn good to get something on there. So make sure you guys download the GoDap if you guys don't already have it. I have linked it in the description. You can direct download it over there, but you need to have it downloaded before the event in order to participate in the event. So make sure you guys download it. And this year, in order to win the prizes, you actually have to create your own space. And if you're confused, Spaces is basically like the GoDap version of the metaverse. You're able to curate your own space on the GoDap with like different sneakers, furniture, accessories, jewelry, things like that. And the more items you include in that space, the better your chances are of winning a blackout. And what blackout is, it's basically like GoDap's version of bingo. You're trying to get lucky by matching up the things that you have in your space with the random accessories and items that are being called out by GOAT at the end of the event. So if you guys have a lot of spaces matched up and you get a blackout, you will win $500 in promo credit, which you guys are able to use on like an exclusive access drop for people that have won that round. So honestly, it is a pretty cool thing. Again, they also have the daily drops. They have a bunch of different ways to win on there. $1 million worth of prizes, guys. Don't forget to check it out. It is linked in the description. You guys need to download the app today in order to get it going. And to go with all of that, we actually copped some shoes from GOAT today, so I will be unboxing those for you guys. Maybe these are some shoes that you can win from the Black Friday event. Who knows? Hint, hint, wink, wink. Wink, 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 wink. I can't wink my right eye, but I think, am I doing it? I think I'm doing it. Okay. Anyway, you know what it is. Let's check out some of these shoes now. So the first shoe that we have over here is an orange Nike box. This one is a Nike Sakai in collaboration with Undercover. And dude, honestly, these things are super sick. I was very hyped over these just because, as you guys know, I'm a big fan of like the color yellow. So this one for me was very hyped. And I really like the design of this one. I'm not sure why there isn't a lot of resale value on this, but it's a good thing for me because I just paid resale for it and it wasn't that expensive. I really like the colorway, and honestly, that's all that matters, right? If you like the shoe, cop it. So this is on the Nike Sakai Vapor Waffle. You guys know what it is with these double swooshes already. We got yellow and black laces, which are pretty dope. I love that. Soles over here are yellow, and I don't know, it was just a really good mixture where it's not like too much yellow to make the shoe like, you know, kind of stand out too much, but easy enough to wear on like a daily basis. So I really like this one a lot, and this one is definitely going in the personal collection, guys. And so for this next shoe, oh man, you guys are gonna like this one. This is a good one. I have not seen this in person yet either. I'm excited for this. We gotta prep for Black Friday with something spooky over here. Nike SB, well, Nike SB, purple box, size 10.5, my size, and a shoe that honestly I feel like is very rare. And for me, I'm thinking this is gonna go up big time. Like over the next couple of years, I feel like this one's gonna blow up in value because it really is unique. And whew, this thing, yo, this thing is sick. Oh my goodness, this is so clean, dude. If you guys don't know what this is, it's a pair of the Nike Sb Mummies, and this one was a very limited release. I don't even think these dropped on Sneakers app. I think it was literally only at skate shops, so it's very limited. I wasn't able to hit, so I had to go to GoDap, pay the resale, but like I mentioned, I do think these are gonna blow up in value because you gotta look at these details close up. They are insane. It's called the Mummy Dunk for obvious reasons. Like when you guys look at the upper, it looks like mummy bandages running throughout the shoe. Really, when I'm looking at it, the materials are very clean. I think this is a canvas upper, so it breathes really well. On the back, you can see like there's a little bit of eyes over here, which is kind of creepy. You also got a spider over here on the toe box. I think this is like the Eye of Osiris back here on the tongue. And then of course on the bottom, these are actually glow in the dark soles. And dude, for whatever reason, I'm still like a 11-year-old kid at heart where I really like glow in the dark things. I was that kid that had like those stars on the ceiling of your bedroom, the glow in the dark stars. Those were my favorite things growing up. And so I don't know, for whatever reason, I really like glow in the dark shoes. Whatever, it keeps me young, guys. Let me have my fun with this. So I'm really happy about this one, and this is like the most expensive shoe I think I've paid like resale for since I've started like my new sneaker collection. So that's kind of like a testament to how much I believe in these things like going up over time. I'm gonna wear them obviously, but I do think that there is value if you guys are like being resellers or something. it is good to cop them now because trust, these will go up. And now for the last and most expensive shoe. I just said that that Mummy Dunk was the most expensive shoe I paid resale for. This is actually the most expensive shoe. It was short-lived. All right, wow, this box fit this sneaker perfectly. That rarely ever happens. You guys should know what this box is. It's a Union box, very unique, and a shoe that I've been on the hunt for a while now for a good price, and I finally got it. This one is a pair of those Jordan 4 Unions in the top haze colorway, and man, these things are freaking sick. I've honestly really wanted this since the drop, but for me, like when these actually did drop the first time, I think that was when I was selling my sneaker collection, so I was like, I can't really buy this thing when I'm trying to get rid of my collection, right? It doesn't really make sense. So now, you know, that we moved into the house and stuff, I was like, I can splurge a little bit more. I got them. I freaking got them, and I gotta say this thing is beautiful, dude. So worth the investment. I am confused about this though. It does have the yellow Jumpman hang tag, but I don't know what this thing is. It says 91 to 2021. It's like a little skater emblem thing. I'm not sure if this is supposed to come with the shoe, to be honest. It matches the colorway, so I guess so. I just didn't see this on the original Jordan 4 Union, so that's kind of new. But yeah, this one, colorway is on point. Obviously, the materials on this is fire as well. And dude, everything about this is just very, very clean. I am geeking on this one because I really, really wanted this. There hasn't been too many sneakers like over the course of 2021 where I was like, that is a must cop for me. But this one, the Mummy Dunks, the Amameni Air 3s that we copped recently that are in the back case, those are probably some of my biggest like targets, I would say, for the year. And because they are so popular, I'm assuming they are probably going to be prizes that you guys can get in the GOAT Black Friday event. So again, download the app, guys. The Spaces event and stuff is all free. If you guys are able to win raffles and stuff for shoes, it's like discounted shoes for like very, very cheap. Sometimes they're giving stuff away for free on there as well. It is so worth it, guys. And you don't need to leave your house to do it, you know? That's what the cool thing is. Usually in Black Friday, you have to wait a long, long line. GOAT app, you can kick back on your couch, in your bed, just click a couple buttons and who knows, you might get lucky. So check that out. That is linked in the description. I am so stoked over these shoes. I can't wait to get all of them on feet. Dude, those Mummy Dunks are gonna go so hard next Halloween too. I feel like those are hard to wear like anytime other than Halloween, but I'll make it work. Anytime I feel spooky, put the Mummy Dunks on. And anytime I'm feeling stylish, we got these top hazes going on. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Top haze. I think it's top haze. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Appreciate all of you guys behind the camera. If you guys did enjoy this one, don't forget to hit thumbs up down below. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys are hoping for as like prizes and stuff in the GOAT Black Friday event. My thing is, if you speak it into existence, it will happen. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments what you guys are planning to win, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you guys will end up hitting that dub. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!